Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Thanks so much for joining me for today's 2-Minute Tuesday tip. Hey, today we're going to be talking about your clear block organization. Throughout the month, we've been talking about how to get your stamp space and your craft room organized. And my last video in the series was on how to organize and store your clear blocks. Now, as you can see, I do have a bit of an obsession with the number of clear blocks. I can't tell you how much I enjoy having lots of blocks because when I'm working on a project, I don't want to have to keep taking my stamps on and off. So I have a lot of different sizes and several of each size. But let me go ahead and start removing some of my clear blocks and let me see if you can guess what I have used for the organization of my blocks. Do you see it? Yes, guys, this is a silverware drawer organizer. I have to tell you, I picked this up for 99 cents at IKEA. God bless IKEA. And God bless anything for 99 cents. And you can see my clear blocks just stand up beautifully in here. I also keep my Stampin' Mist here because I like to have that handy. And another thing I absolutely love is keeping a microfiber cloth in here. If you ever have an issue where your clear stamps are not sticking, it's more than likely you've got a little ick here on your block. Clean it with the cloth, clean the back of your stamp. Boom, you are back in business. So that's very handy. By the way, this is just a cloth that you would use for cleaning eyeglasses. You can pick that up just about anywhere. But guys, I cannot sing the praises enough of how much I love my silverware drawer organizer to store my clear blocks. Look, I can pick it up. I can move it if I need to move it around my room or move it into another room. Works great.